Hey Sunny fam, it's Ashley Amone, one of your trainers here at Sunny Health and Fitness. If you're in the market for an exercise bike, Sunny Fitness is your one-stop shop where affordability meets performance. At Sunny, we offer a wide range of bikes to support every fitness level, goal, and lifestyle. Our high-performance indoor cycling bikes are built for power and comfort, while our Recumbent bikes provide added back support. For compact, space-saving options, our mini exercise bikes and under-desk pedalers make it easy to stay active while multitasking. Today, I will be educating you on the features of each type of bike so that you can make the best decision that suits your fitness goals, your home space, and your budget. To find the right unit for your home, there are several factors to consider. Your health comes first, so ask yourself, what are my fitness goals? If you want to lose weight or are looking for intense cardio sessions, an indoor cycling bike is your best option. If you have back pain and want something low impact, joint friendly, go with the Recumbent bike. If you want a low maintenance bike that can also help you improve your overall fitness, try an upright bike. Another factor to consider when purchasing an indoor bike is the available space. If you have limited space, a compact upright bike or a foldable model would be the practical solution. If your space isn't an issue, you can go for a larger, more advanced magnetic resistance bike. Keep in mind, when it comes to comfort and adjustability, you must consider your body size and preferred posture. You want to be comfortable on your bike to get the most use out of it, so making sure the bike allows for seat and handlebar adjustments will encourage more use and better results. The last factor to consider before purchasing your bike is the resistance type. There are two types of resistance, magnetic and friction. Magnetic systems have a fixed level range, while friction resistance allows you to turn the resistance knob until the pedals stop. Magnetic options are more expensive than friction, but require less maintenance than friction. Magnetic resistance is practically silent, while friction is a bit noisier. However, friction offers more intensity when the fabric pads apply pressure to the spinning flywheel. One is not necessarily better than the other, but if one feature is a deal breaker for you, then choose the other option. The first on my list is the Smart Pro Belt Drive Indoor Cycling Exercise Bike, SF-B901 Smart. This is a favorite for its whisper-quiet belt drive delivered through dual felt pad resistance that ensures seamless adjustments. This bike is ideal for users wanting a smooth and stable ride with an authentic cycling class feel. You can track your progress with the performance digital monitor displaying essential metrics like time, speed, distance, calories burned, pulse rate, and RPMs. This is great for the fitness enthusiast looking for intensity. We have an upgraded version of this model called the Active 200 Smart Magnetic Cycling Exercise Bike, SF-B124067. You get all the same great features, but with a sleek design and convenient dumbbell holders attached for integrating upper body exercises. Next is the Smart Programmable 16-level Electric Magnetic Resistance Recumbent Exercise Bike, SF-RB4850 Smart. Again, this is the type of bike that offers back support and a reclined seating position. It is ideal for users with back pain or knee issues while addressing mobility concerns. This bike provides premium comfort with a wide seat, breathable mesh back support, universal pedals with textured grips, and universal straps for optimal stability. Find the best range of motion for your legs by using the seat adjustment lever and sit back and enjoy the smooth, quiet ride powered by a virtually maintenance-free belt-driven mechanism. This Recumbent bike has 16 levels of automatic magnetic tension and 24 built-in programs designed for various fitness levels. To sum it up, this bike is tailored for customers who want ultimate comfort and stability as they ride. Last but not least is the Foldable Magnetic Exercise X Bike, SF-B223011. This bike is compact and foldable, making it ideal for small spaces. Its low-impact design not only suits all levels of fitness, but is a solid option for those recovering from injuries. It has 14 levels of magnetic resistance, providing a tailored and challenging workout experience for anyone. It has an LCD digital monitor that tracks workout metrics, including time, speed, distance, calories, total distance, pulse rate, and RPMs. Built-in heart rate sensors on the handlebars ensure you maintain your target heart rate zone for a safe and effective workout. It has a cushioned ergonomic seat padded with soft foam for comfort. If you are a beginner and in the market for an upright bike that takes up minimal space, the X-Bike would be your go-to. We reviewed the top 3 choices for bikes, which are all compatible with the SunnyFit app for access to thousands of workouts led by personal trainers. But these are not the only bikes Sunny has to offer. If, after this review, you are still up in the air about what would best suit your needs, here are 3 more options that you could explore on our website. The SF-RB420032 Performance Smart Recumbent Bike with Arm Exerciser is an excellent choice for those looking for a full-body workout as you multitask working the arms and the legs with ultimate seat comfort and back support. You might also look into the SSB220045 Elite Smart Upright Exercise Bike. This bike is space-saving, lightweight, and easy to move. Finally, the SFB0891 Smart low-profile magnetic mini exercise bike is a favorite under-the-desk pedaler because it is quiet and portable. It's a good choice for folks that are rehabbing from an injury because it is low impact and lightweight. I certainly hope that you found this video helpful in our comparison of our top 3 selling bikes that cater to your unique needs. If you aren't immediately sold on one of those, I mentioned the 3 other options that might be a better fit. No matter what, Sunny is here to help you find the bike customized to make you feel your best. So don't sweat it. Reach out to our friendly customer service team if you have any questions or concerns. They are happy to help you find the type of equipment that will take your fitness to the next level.